Thank you. Still waiting. It'll be disappointing after 4 other assemblies that you ruin your privilege, so please pay attention. One of my favourite jobs as Year 13 Dean is working with the team of prefects, and for those of you who aspire to be a prefect, your teachers and the people sitting around you at the end of Year 12 will get a vote. And if you've done the right thing, been in class, got involved in school life, that means sporting teams, arts, culture, and everything that makes the school so fantastic, you might in a few years' time be standing up here as a prefect. Every year it is a school tradition, and you've got 4 more years ahead of you of watching these. It is a school tradition that the prefect team does a performance to the school to leave their message and their final word to the school. So, I expect you to be a polite audience. As a drama teacher, you should know, but I will remind you that they are up here to perform for you, so work and support them. So, put your hands together for the 2000.
Spare change, I'll do anything. Sir, please. Do you have any spare change?
Yeah, I might do. Ladies, see what I got.
I didn't know that we're not this high.
You look familiar.
Carl?
Charlie?
Did you go to work at
Real high?
Yeah.
Never really saw you much.
Yeah. About that.
What are you doing?
Going into flashback?
Take you back to memory lane, where we all began to wed on the sea.
Oh yes, I have an assessment today. No man, we should wait for a half the period. On the way.
Oh, yes! Get your guys!
You guys ain't going to school today. You're going to jail.
Honestly, who eggs on the boat?
It seemed like a good idea at the time.
And even when you were at school, we were getting into fights.
Yeah.
Take you back to memory lane where we all began to fight at the park.
Do you know what? Doesn't matter. She's mine anyway. Whoa, wait now! Michael! Oh,